The topic of today's video is how to buy USDT on the Coinbase app, and my goal here is not to mislead, so I'll tell you now that this is not going to be possible, at least in most countries. What you need to do is perhaps maybe buy some USDT or another cryptocurrency and send it to your Coinbase wallet. And I want to show you exactly what happens if you try to buy USDT here. So we'll click on buy, we'll click on buy over here, and we are just going to type in USDT and you'll see Tether pops up here. But you'll notice it takes us to Coinbase Wallet. So we'll hit continue. We'll choose our network, so let's do Ethereum. And notice it immediately takes us to the swap option. Meaning here in from, we are going to select whatever cryptocurrency we sent to the wallet, and we are going to swap that cryptocurrency for USDT. And once you have chosen the amount of that crypto you want to sell for USDT, you can click on add crypto to your wallet. Now, keep in mind there are going to be network fees and so forth, so you need to have more crypto than the amount that you want to buy to cover the fees as well, and they can be quite high at times, so you might want to consider another option for buying USDT, honestly. But that's all I got for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.